Yeah. Put this over here. The white gets off. If I'd have put it on with this glue, it wouldn't have come off. That piece of that dress. Yeah, it wouldn't have not have come off if I'd put it on with this. And because I've still got something else now I've still got to do, don't I? Make that part out. Righto. And we'll put it down this way, at an angle. I do like that better. I do like that better. Now I need this. I don't know if it'll go in there though. If I put that in there, I'm going to punch out a top piece. Wait a minute. What have I got here? Just put that bit in, Sonia. I only want a tiny little half moon thing on it. I want it to go in there. Because the other one's out in the other room. That's probably why. Yeah, them things are, aren't they? They just don't want to. So we may line it up a bit. Push that down. Whoops, no, that's not right. It hasn't been in there far enough. Isn't this thing working? Don't do that to me. That's not in there far enough. You have to put it up there to that thing, Sonia. Yeah, I got it. Righto. And putting glue on that ink on that thing again. That's better. Now I do like it, very much so. I can put one of these in here too, couldn't I? I could put one of these lay-by things in there. I might do that. I might fix that up and put that in there. What do you reckon? Is that alright? I think so. Well, thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you liked that. That was just what I do when I'm trying to do a page. That's what I do. It's not easy. I mean, you've got to start with, you know, you've got to have, you can have things in your head, ideas, but then whether they're going to come out on the paper or not is another thing. So if I put this in here, I could probably turn that into a little flip. I might have some pages in there and make that a little flip book or something, some such thing as that. And then over here, I could put that, which I really like the idea of these things, these corner bits, I do like them, that flip up, and have it so it can have this down in there, I suppose. Like so, because then you've still got a lot of writing space on there as well. Yes, I think I might do something like that there. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I'm going to come back in here every day and I'm going to show you a little bit more and we'll see how we go, eh? I'll leave it sitting here, I'll come back in and I'll do more for you so you can see that I'm getting something done. I want to do it because, you know, I'd like to do the 100-day thing. I'm still talking about that, I'm still thinking about that, but my husband said to me, he said, you know, you're not very consistent. I said, hey, I said, I've been married to you for 31 years. I think I got him, I don't know. Must be our wedding anniversary. Is that today or tomorrow? What's today? Tomorrow's our wedding anniversary, my goodness. 29, no, 39, on the 29th, it's 31 years. Okay, I didn't realise that. I do now. I knew it was getting close. Okay, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Stay safe and do some crafting. It does make you feel better. Really does, you know. I could sit in here now for quite some time and do some more, but I can't because I have to go and have some lunch because I'll be sick in the stomach if I don't, and it won't be fun, you know, because you've got to eat. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.